Marine maintenance is a necessity, but it doesn't have to be a chore. With premium Flitz products, you can keep your boat or jet ski looking great and still have more time to spend on the water. With legendary Flitz polish, you can remove rust and corrosion from stainless steel railings, restore chrome brightwork and instrument panels, remove tough white corrosion from anodized aluminum T-tops and railings, renew pontoons and fiberglass, and give them guaranteed protection that lasts 2 to 3 months in saltwater and an astounding 4 to 6 months in freshwater. Restore your boat faster and easier with the patented Flitz Buff Ball. The 2-inch buff ball is perfect for tight spaces like hard-to-clean rod holders. The 3-inch buff ball takes on instrument panels and cup holders with ease. A Flitz 5-inch buff ball makes quick work of cleats and bow railings. And you'll love the 7-inch buff ball for larger areas like fiberglass hulls, windshields, and isinglass. Flitz Buff Balls fit any 3/8-inch drill or air tool, are washable and reusable, making them a terrific value. They not only speed up the job, but they really save the wear and tear on you. For superior protection on any hard surface, put the power of Flitz Ceramic Sealant to work for you. From BRIGHTWORK and instrument panels to acrylic hatches and windscreens, Flitz Ceramic Sealant adds a hydrophobic layer of protection that lasts up to 6 months or more, even in salt water. Easy to apply. Just spray on and buff off for protection against UV rays, water stains, and more. The NANO-CERAMIC formula adds gloss without impairing matte finishes. Perfect for fiberglass, isinglass, decals, and literally any hard surface on your boat. Life on the water brings its own set of cleaning challenges. For really tough jobs like corrosion and calcium and lime buildup at and below the waterline, get your hands on Flitz Calcium Rust and Lime Remover. The organic salts formula gets to work instantly on props, rusted railings, jet ski exhaust, engine grime, and more. A stiff nylon brush is all you need for stubborn stains, and a thorough rinse with water completely neutralizes the formula and renders it eco-safe. For those times when all you need is a touch-up between cleanings, Flitz Speedy Seal makes weekly upkeep a breeze. The easy-to-use spray-on and buff-off formula delivers nano-ceramic hydrophobic protection and shine to fiberglass, acrylics, decals, windshields, isinglass, and more. Speedy Seal's exclusive formula protects against harmful UV rays and even makes bugs and bird dropping removal a snap. Flitz Paste Polish, Buff Balls, Ceramic Sealant, Calcium Rust and Lime Remover, and Speedy Seal. All unconditionally guaranteed and all proudly made in the USA. Don't just clean it, don't just polish it, don't just protect it, Flitz it.